Hi everybody, Broken Ebeez here and welcome to today's video. Today's video is entitled Challenge EB. So as you know, I'm a big supporter of Linux Mint and I think they do a fantastic job. I would like to help you help me, or help me help you, whichever way round you want to put it. So I'm throwing the gauntlet down and I'm challenging the internet. So if I can be of any service to you free of charge to help you transition on to Linux, doesn't have to be Linux Mint, can be any Linux, but I'm specifically on Linux Mint 22.1. So if you say to me you can't get something working, and I do it all like I did with the World of Warcraft, and you suddenly turn around and say, oh, I'm on Nabara, I'm on Gen 2, I'm on something else, well then don't come moaning to me. Also, I'll do my best to find a solution for you. It might not be the solution that you'd envisaged in your head, but if it's a workable, viable solution, then I'll consider your issue closed. And that really is my way of saying thank you to you, the community, for your support for this channel. I cannot believe that in 2025 I'm the only one that sits in this bubble and is having the most amazing time on Linux Mint. Literally everything that I want to do on this computer, from AI to gaming to streaming to YouTubing, Twitch, Rumble, it's all, honestly, so good that the thought of me going back to Windows is horrific. You know, I've got none of the spyware, none of the telemetry. I've got no invasive pop-ups or adverts or nagging screens. I've got nothing trying to take screenshots of my screen every 5 seconds just in case they want to incriminate me. I'm just saying, you know. So, the other thing with Linux Mint for me personally, as I say, the updates and everything just run so smooth. So I would like to really help you people in any way I can. I get it that A, some people are beyond help. I get it that B, some people will never transition away from Windows over to Linux. I get that. Some people will absolutely put up with the most terrible shit all day long, and that's fine. Some people might actually enjoy using Windows. Well, knock your fucking self out. Sucks to be you. But if any of you want any help trying to resolve issues, specifically using Linux Mint, then I would ask you to please post as much detail as you can. For argument's sake, oh yeah, Ebeez, World of Warcraft just doesn't work, end of. You know, and that's not really helpful, is it? You know, if you put, hi, I'm on Linux Mint 22, I'm using AMD CPU, NVIDIA GPU, I want to get World of Warcraft running and Battle.net running, and I'm struggling, can you help me? Then we'll see what we can do for you. And it applies to apps, it applies to games, it applies to pretty much everything. If you're having issues or there are problems that are stopping you making the transition away from Windows and over onto Linux Mint, then I will do my absolute best to help you. Now, the other thing is, please don't expect a response within 5 minutes, because I've got to download the software, install it, try and replicate your issue, and then find a viable solution. So I don't envisage that many people will be posting anyway, because to be fair, I think there's a lot of bullshit out there on YouTube land. Oh, this don't work, that, oh, fuck off. Yes, it does work. But I think there are genuine people like that guy yesterday who couldn't get World of Warcraft working, and my heart went out to him when he typed that he'd cancelled his subscription, because I know how devastating that can be if it's something that you do on a daily basis. To have it taken away from you, it's gut wrenching. So it gives me a lot of pleasure to help people out with genuine issues and try and find solutions. There's always going to be the arsehole, because that's just the internet. It's full of arseholes, but it's also full of really cool, kind, nice, genuine people as well. So there you go, everybody. Please post your issues with as much information as you can underneath this video, and I'll leave this video up on center stage. And once you've posted your issue, I'll do an initial response with an estimated time scale, and then we'll see if we can resolve your issues for you. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, thumb the videos up if you loved it, down if you hated it. I will see you for another wicked Broken Ebeez video.